So Perplexity Labs have just launched Comet, which is a browser. But what makes it different from normal browsers like Safari and Chrome is that it's built as an agentic browser. So instead of just searching for things and getting text-based AI answers, it can actually do things for you, which sounds pretty amazing. So Comet has been in beta and on a wait list for quite a few months now, but it's just been opened up. You can use it for free, and on Perplexity Pro, they have a free plan for students. So today we're going to test it out, see if it works, and put it through a real world scenario. If you're new here, my name is Courtney. I'm a vibe coder. I am not a professional developer. I don't know how to write code. So I teach developing, making apps in a way that's simple for me to understand and hopefully simple for you to understand. If you like that, follow along. But let's get started. So when you first download Perplexity from the web, this is what you'll see. A beautiful little launch screen here, and it says get started. Comet is not available on the App Store right now, so you download it from their website, and I'll put the link in the description. It asks you to put in your profile, and it asks you to move over your Google account. You do not need to put in your Chrome account. It's absolutely not necessary. Just deny that. After you've chosen a theme, you simply sign in with Gmail, so let's give that a go. Okay, once you've signed in with Gmail, you put your password in, you are now basically using Comet browser with your Gmail account. All very easy, all exactly as you've done before on various other browsers. So let's take it through a real world task. Comet Assistant is what Comet uses to do tasks on your behalf. Instead of you finding the best restaurants in your area, going to their website, making a booking, Comet promises that it can do that for you. So I'm going to do a real task here. I'm going to tell it to identify the 3 hottest topics in vibe coding right now. Okay, I've asked it to look for the 3 hottest topics in vibe coding right now. Obviously great. And it's given me 3 options here: LLM-driven prompt-to-code workflow, autonomous agentic coding tools, and all-in-one AI app platforms. That pretty much sounds true. So now I'm going to ask it to write 3 articles and open up those articles in separate Google Docs, which is something that I do for my Substack channel. Follow me on Substack to read the articles. We'll see if they're any good. And so let's have a go with that. Okay, so I've asked it to write 3 articles, each in a separate Google Doc in the browser. Let's let it run, see how it goes. It's thinking, it's talking about opening up a new Google Doc. It actually looks like it's found some errors. It's saying, I'm typing the doc, but nothing is coming up, which is quite interesting. It's found its own errors and it's trying to solve them. So it is fully agentic so far. It's been writing for 3 or 4 minutes now. It's not actually showing me the Google Docs. It's all working in the background, but I'm having faith. 5 minutes now and it's still writing. It's telling me that it's going to open up the articles, have a look at them, and make sure that it's actually written the articles, which is quite interesting. So it doesn't exactly always know what it's doing. It checks its own work. That's pretty cool. A bit strange, but pretty nice. Okay, it's telling me the articles are done. It's listed the 3 articles here, and I can open them in a new browser. So it hasn't actually opened the articles for me. It's just listed them there, and I'll open them up in a new browser. Right, there we go. So here are the articles. One is called Autonomous Agentic Coding Tools. Looks good. Very interesting that it's written the 3 articles all sort of in one giant block of text. I wouldn't say that these are the most beautifully formatted articles. And interestingly, all 3 of them are written in a different way. One's a giant block of text, one has a great heading, one has some paragraphs, one sort of has the non-printing characters in them. Very, very strange. So it's written the articles. We'll have a look. but it's very, very clear that these are not articles that you could publish immediately. You'd have to go in and clean them up. You'd have to go and check them for correctness. You'd have to put them maybe to another LLM to try and improve your writing if you're not such a good writer. But this is pretty good. So that's just my very brief walkthrough of Perplexity AI's Comet browser, giving it a very real task. I'm not sure that that saved me a ton of time over just checking for those articles and asking another LLM to write them, or what I usually do is I voice dictate my articles, but that's pretty interesting. So if you're interested in trying it out, link in the description and we'll see how it goes.